welcome back to Garden Girl. My name is Breanna. Today I have something really exciting to show you. So recently, a family member of mine, my aunt, actually sent me a beautiful diamond art painting. And if you don't know what diamond art is, it's basically kind of like a paint by number, except you're putting these tiny, like diamond-like little things into like a canvas, like a piece of art, and it becomes like this really cool kind of 3D kind of gem effect. And I just did a video on it as well, about a secret garden one, and I'm going to be doing a reveal of that coming up as well, so that's going to be very exciting. But yeah, so my aunt sent me a diamond art painting and I'm excited to show you, so let's get into it. So here's the diamond art painting here, and I'll do a closer look at it after, but it's really adorable. It's basically these really cute, duck on a pond with these really nice like lilies, water lilies and lily pads. It's really adorable. And I measured it, so the whole diamond art itself is 13.5 by 17.25. So that's pretty good size. I think that's one of the bigger ones I've ever done. I've only done a few so far, but I really love the colors of it, and the reflection is amazing. Like literally you could have it upside down and it would look like almost the same as like right side up. So it's like really cool. It'll be beautiful to see the reflection of it. So here's a closer look of the diamond painting. And the beauty of this diamond art painting, which I haven't seen before, is they don't have the key symbol guide on the side for all the drills. They just have like the painting itself, which makes it really nice for framing or displaying. You don't have to worry about covering up those borders. And instead of that, they give you a guide, which I'll show in a minute, to follow with the different colors, and then that's not on the side here. But yeah, as you can see, it's a really sweet duck and lots of color. Very pretty with the water lilies and the lily pads. And this has square drills. So as you can see in a closer look, they're square. So that means you can't see the canvas underneath. So it's really, the square makes it more closer, more finer detail, which is really awesome. That'll be really cool to see that, because I've only ever done round, so in the few that I've done. So yeah, it's a really sweet duck, and thank you so much to my aunt. I really am excited to start this. I'm going to start this today. I love ducks so much. I have had ducks in the past. I've raised ducks myself, like for eggs or whatever on our farm, and I really enjoyed doing that. I probably will raise them again. So ducks are really special to me. So thank you so much, and let's check out the colors. So here's all the colors, and there's 37 colors in total, and there's also some AB drills, which I'm really excited about, and they're Aurora Borealis drills. So as you can see, you have like a sparkle on them, and that makes it really exciting. So there's, I think, 3 for sure different types of AB drills, and then there's these cool ones too, which I thought was really neat, and they're very sparkly. I guess they're like an AB drill as well, but I'm really excited about that. They look like kind of like little pieces of a mirror or something. They're really pretty little gems. I'm excited about that. And so yeah, over here, what I loved about this kit is it has bags already with the diamonds in them, so you don't have to rebag everything. Usually you just have a once open bag and you have to rebag or kit up everything. So I love that these have resealable bags, and they already come marked with all the numbers on it, so you can quickly grab it. And it also comes with a whole other extras if you want to put them in containers and relabel them. So they give you a whole bunch of little labels that you can unstick and put on little containers if you want to do that sort of thing. I'll probably keep them in these bags because they're easy to store and stuff and pull out when I need them. So And then this is the guide they give you, which is so smart. And it shows the little picture of the completed design at the top. And then there's all your colors right here. So there's a bag of each. And yeah, there's 37 colors right there, you can see. And yeah, so it's really helpful to have this. Usually this is on your diamond art painting, and it's usually on the side like this. So it's really nice not to have that. So you could just almost hang it up just like this right now. Well, you could for sure hang it up like this right now. You don't even need a frame. It's just beautiful. And the beauty of this one is it's really has like this soft fabric on the back, so it doesn't slip on your table while you're working on it. It's very like kind of fabric. It's really nice. So yeah, it'll be a joy to work with this one. It'll be a lot of fun. So really looking forward to starting that today. So stay tuned. As I start working on this, I'll show you when it's completed, and it'll be really cool to see. So thank you so much again for watching, and thank you for my aunt for sending me this. Thank you so much. I really am excited to start on this. And I wanted to tell you that my aunt has her own YouTube channel, and she has done different instrumental kind of music in the past. She's done these cool like instrumental playlists of music that you can play while you're working or while you're studying or while you're doing chores around the house. But yeah, it's really cool. So her YouTube channel is called B and Joe's Tunescapes, and I'll link it down in the description box. So go check it out. She has some really cool playlists of music, and they're just very quiet and nice to work with, and some of them are more upbeat than others. And I really like her style that she chooses for her music, so definitely go check it out and play it along if you're working or just wanted some nice background music to have. It's really nice. So thank you to my aunt for this, and hope you have an awesome day. Thank you for watching, and keep growing. Thank you. I'm Breanna. This is the canvas, and I'm just going to unroll it here. So it's basically a really cute little duck in a pond, and it's really cute. It kind of looks like it has oh gosh, I have it upside down.